Pupokage and Powani. Well friends, it's a breezy day in the Nyan Woods forest. That made everyone around feel refreshed and energetic.
Hey guys, would you like to have some cookies? I've made them myself. Here.
Wow, they look really delicious. Thank you, Nyago.
Thank God it's gone.
Guys, it was terrible. Look, the cookies have disappeared.
Nienta, have you?
Sorry, I was just kidding. Here.
Here the kids were playing and enjoying. On the other side, there are these two who are in love with each other.
Hi, Putokage.
Hi, Pavani.
I am coming. Wait, I am coming. Oh, my
She is too slow.
You know, Putokage, I am making a flower garland specially for you.
Hey, thank you so much. Pavani, please, can we do it later? Let's eat first.
I will finish it soon. You proceed. I'll eat later on.
Okay, I'll also wait then. Oh, I can't wait any longer. I'm very hungry. Oh, it was really yummy. Wow.
Hey, I'm done too. Tell me, Putokage, isn't this garland beautiful?
You are too slow, Pavani.
What are you saying, Putokage?
I said you are too slow, Pavani. I can't wait for this long. I can't spend whole of my life with you, okay? I'm leaving now.
Oh, Putokage.
I don't want to see your face.
I cannot be this slow. I'm feeling so bad. I'm so sorry, Putokage. What can I do? How should I please Putokage? Huh? The water level in the river is shrinking. Before I jump into it, I'll go and check out why is it shrinking.
Hello, my friends. Let's see who tops the mid-year ranking chart. It's again the Master Neander.
Again, I can't believe
Missing.
He is missing.
Pavani, where are you? I'm really sorry. I hurt you. Pavani, did you hear this? Putokage loves you very much and is really worried. Come back soon wherever you are, okay? Huh? What's this? Oh God, this has to be the breaking news. The river from which the water is supplied to the town is shrinking rapidly. And soon there is going to be a shortage of water.
Oh God, how will I wash these clothes without water?
How do you wash the soap now?
Oh, I think Powani has gone to keep a watch on the river.
Even I think so.
Oh, okay. The water level is shrinking and Powani is missing. I see some connection here. Got it. If we find Powani, then maybe we can understand the reason as to why the river water is shrinking, Con.
Hey, Neon sir, you're so brilliant and genius.
Oh, if I'm able to solve this problem, then I might become famous in this city, Con. Okay, Putokage, now tell me everything.
If I tell you everything, will you get me my Pavani back?
Yeah, definitely, Putokage. But you should thank me on TV in front of everyone for getting Powani back.
Yeah, sure.
What's this, Putokage?
Pavani!
Putokage
Come on.
Oh, Hihimanto and Kumaniko.
This is my forest, Hihimanto's forest. This is my river. Dare you take this water?
It's all because of you, Hihimanto. There's no water in the river. You better get back all the water just now.
You have also become a fool like pony.
Uh-huh.
I'm the king of the jungle. Everything in the jungle belongs to me. For that matter, even this river. If you want the river water back, then you will have to accept my authority.
No way! This is not done! The river water is meant for everyone!
Yes, she's right.
So it's better that you give us the water back, Hihimanto, because I'm not going to tolerate any threats from you.
Wow, sir, you're just amazing!
Oh, please shut up. There's no way I'm gonna budge. If you don't behave yourself, you will be punished. Kumaniko!
Come on. Come on.
Oh, what is he up to now, Con?
Here goes Hihimanto's water gun. This is what you get if you don't respect the king.
I said leave my Pavani. Putukage attack!
That's really harsh. Kumaniko, increase the power. Hey, you coward! I will not leave you.
Oh, I wanted to do something like this, Con.
My Pavani!
Oh, I always wanted to do something like this, Con.
I can understand your feelings, Nyan, sir.
Oh?
My Pavani! Oh, Pavani! Someone help my Pavani!
Only one cookie is remaining and I'm going to
Let's
eat
decide with majority wins. Huh? Where is Nyago? Huh?
it. I think he's gone to the toilet.
Thanks, Pidori. Nyanda, ready to go. Hey guys, are you okay?
Hey, go fast and rescue my Pavani first!
All right. Oh no! The water is going towards the town! Nyanda, cyclonic spin!
Oh wow, now I can wash the clothes.
Hey, Pavani! Get up!
Putukage!
Oh, my Pavani, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, Putukage.
I'm really sorry, Pavani. I didn't behave properly with you.
Oh, no, it's okay, Putukage. Thank you so much. How do I look? Tell me.
Very pretty.
I never asked for the Masked Neander's help, then why did he come to help me?
Sir, I didn't cry out for help this time.
Friends, now the popularity ranking of the hour. It's none other than the famous, the hero who's everyone's favorite in the town, the Masked Neander.
Oh no, not again.
And in the second position, we have a winning pair, Putukage and Pavani. Both of them have been really great and wish to be good friends hereafter.
Oh, I was the one who rescued Pavani and got the water back, and still I'm not being honored for that. Why does this happen with me always? Why?
Don't cry, sir.
And this way, though Neon thought that there was some connection between Pony being missing and the level of water shrinking, it really didn't bring him to the popularity charts. Well then, let's wait and watch what Neon does to get himself on top of the popularity chart. But in the next exciting adventurous episode. Till then, goodbye.